So-called superbugs such as MRSA and Clostridium difficile have been front-page news in recent years and have long proved difficult to eradicate from the hospital environment.
I'm at Heartlands Hospital in Birmingham to find out more about a new technology developed in the West Midlands which may lead the way in the battle against healthcare-acquired infections. Wolverhampton-based company Biocote have developed an innovative substance to protect hospital surfaces. So in this consulting room, everything from the light switch to the door handles and even the curtain track has been treated with the silver ion technology. A recent appraisal of the Biocote technology at this hospital indicated that levels of bacteria were reduced by over 95% for materials treated with the product. With a predicted 25-year lifespan, this could prove to be a long-term cost-effective solution to dealing with healthcare-acquired infections. So, who are Biocote and how does the technology behind their product work?
Biocote was formed in 1994 and under two engineers who found a way to make an antimicrobial powder coating which they then patented. And by means antimicrobial, it inhibits the growth of bacteria.
This innovative substance utilises silver ion technology to create a product that can be used in a variety of ways.
Well, the Biocote product can be a number of things. We effectively can be an additive into the paint system that may paint a hospital bed. We can be a plastic master batch into an injection moulded plastic, or we could be an additive into a fabric or even a paper manufacturing process. We are able to create complete environments, complete antimicrobial environments, so that we have all these products, bins, and we have cabinets, lockers, thermometers, so they work in conjunction with each other. Silver ions have been used for centuries in purification purposes, whether it's purification of water in Roman times or water purification more recently. And the technology that the silver inhibits the growth of bacteria is very well understood. The actual silver ions binds with the critical enzymes within the bacteria, stopping the bacteria from being able to function and effectively stopping the bacteria from being able to do its reproduction cycle.
One of the first partner companies to incorporate the Biocote powder into their manufacturing process was Link Lockers in Telford.
The Biocote product and the Biocote technology is already in the paint that we use. The Biocote is an integral part of the powder which is used in the process, which is then applied on a gun. When the gun expels the powder, it's electrostatically charged, and that actually attracts the powder onto the product, and then the final stage is it goes through into the oven and is baked off. It's given us an opportunity in areas where hygiene is an important consideration, such as in the health sector, and opens some doors into other areas where we can see the opportunity.
And the recent appraisal of Biocote protected products in Birmingham have produced very promising results.
For the last 2 years we've been working with the Heartlands Hospital in developing a pilot scale facility that we could actually test these products in real life settings. And we tested a Biocote treated environment against an untreated or a normal environment, and we've seen a 96% reduction in bacteria on products that have Biocote compared to the untreated environment. So we're actually demonstrating that we've taken a technical ability within the lab and put it into a real-life situation.
And the well-established properties of Biocote provide one distinct advantage over antibiotics.
Silver has the evidence base behind it to show that resistance should not be an issue, so therefore it can be classed as a longer-term solution.
So with hospital superbugs a major concern for the NHS, how are healthcare managers reacting to this new silver technology?
Obviously, I think there has been a resistance to antibiotics that's developed over years now. Patients, when they come in, can be in an immunocompromised state, so they can pick up an infection in hospital and they can quite often go out sicker than when they came in. So any tools in the toolbox we can use to eliminate MRSA from the environment, that's got to be top of the list at the moment. You can have a fantastic cleaning specification, but if on one particular day the cleaner doesn't turn up for work, then obviously that could be an issue. With silver technology, it's always there, it's active in the background. It doesn't replace cleaning, but what it does do is provide a level of protection. Within healthcare now, we're starting to see it more and more being used in the ward environment and as part of treatment. So it's now commonplace to see silver used within wound dressings and within medical devices that actually go into patients in order to prevent and control infection. As things start to develop, more and more people will use silver, and I think they'll actually start to specify it at the design and upgrade stage.
So with further Biocote trials on the way, there could soon be whole hospital environments treated with antimicrobial protection.
It's estimated there are somewhere between 5,000 and 10,000 people who are dying every year as a result of a hospital-associated infection. Towards the NHS, the majority of the products that are provided are at no-cost option, so they can buy these products off the shelf at the same price as they would ones without Biocote. In today's world where hospital infections are costing millions of pounds for each trust per year, they want to do everything they can to reduce their infection rates. And we see Biocote as being a really useful weapon they can use in the combat of this.
It's clear that a low-cost, effective solution to combat healthcare-acquired infections would be of immense benefit to inpatients and hospitals across Britain and the rest of the world. Biocote could provide the technology to turn the tide in the war against hospital superbugs.